Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, second chapter numbers and sequences. I have completed 6 exercises that is based on arithmetic progressions. Now we will see about geometric progressions. Few things we need to know before going into the exercise sums. Okay, geometric progressions. A geometric progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term, except the first term. The fixed number is called the common ratio and it is denoted by R. In arithmetic progression, we will find the difference between the terms. Here, we will be finding the terms will be the ratio of the terms. If all the ratio between the terms, that is second term and the first term, third term and the second term, like that when we compare the ratios of two terms, if the ratios are same, then we will say that as geometric progressions. Okay, so a geometric progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed number is called the common ratio R. Okay, then these numbers are of the form AR squared and AR to the power n minus 1. The general term or the nth term of the GP is Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So T2 by T1 is equal to AR by T2. Second term is AR. Second term is AR by A. When we simplify this, we get R. Like we got it in arithmetic progression, we got D. When we subtract the second term and the first term, whatever we got, that is the D we'll say. Here we have to divide. So that is the ratio we'll say. So T3 by T2 is also R. So whatever two numbers when we are comparing, we will get R. Sum of n terms of an GP is Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So this is the, if we want to find, if they are asking us to find the sum of n terms of the GP, means we have to use this formula where R not equal to 1. Then sum of first n. So these are all some specialized thing, that is sum of first n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then sum of first n odd natural numbers is n squared. Then sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then sum of cubes of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So we have to remember all these points before doing the exercise sums of geometric progressions. We will start with exercise 2.7, first sum. Which of the following sequences are in GP? So when we find the ratio between the terms, if the ratios are same, then we can say that the given sequences are in GP. So first sum is 3, 9, 27, 81. So here first term is T1 is 3, T2 is 9, T3 is 27 and T4 is 81. These are the terms given here. So if we want to find the ratio, first we will find T2 by T1. So T2 is 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. Then T3 by T2 is equal to 27 by 9. So that is also 3. Then T4 by T3, that is 81 by 27. So that is also 3. 27 3s are 81. So all the ratios, so this is the ratio between the terms. So all the ratios are same here. So the given sequence are in AP. They are in not in AP. They are in GP. Okay, first sum. Then second one is T1 is 4, T2 is 44, T3 is 444. Then T4 is 4444. So we will find the ratio T2 by T1 is equal to 44 by 4. So that is equal to 11. 44 by 4 is 11. Then T3 by T2 is equal to 444 by 44. So when we simplify this, when we simplify this 444 by 11, we will get 111 by 11. Again when we simplify, this is 11 by 1. This one is 101 by 11. Then next one is T4 by T3. So T4 is 4444 by 444. So this one when we simplify, we will get like this. So these are all the ratios. All these are called the ratios. The ratios are not same. So they are not in GP. They are not in GP. Okay. Then third sum is 0.5, 0.05, 0.005. So T2 by T1 is equal to, so this is T2, this is T1, then this one is T3. So T2 is 0.05 by 0.5. So we'll get 0.01 by 0.1. So when we simplify this, we will get, when we multiply by 10, we will get this as 0.1 by 1. So this is equal to 0.1. So this is the ratio 0.1. Okay. Then T3 by T2 is equal to 0.005 by 0.05. So 0.001 when I am dividing it by, when I am simplifying it by 5. Then denominator is 0.01. So multiplying by 100, I will get 0.1. When I multiply by 100, 2 decimal places it will move. 0.1 by 1. So I will get the ratio as 0.1. So here this is the ratio and this one is the ratio. So ratios are same when we are comparing two terms. So they are in GP. They are in GP. Okay. We will continue with this. So this is T1, T2, T3. Okay, when we find the ratios, T2 by T1 is equal to 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. So when we simplify this, we will get this as 1 by 2. Okay, then next one is T3 by T2. T3 is 1 by 12 by 1 by 6. So 1 by 12 into 6 by 1, this is also 1 by 2. So we got the ratio as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Since the ratios are same, they are in GP. They are in GP. Okay. Then fifth sum is 1 minus 5. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So T2 by T1 is equal to minus 5 by 1. We will get the ratio as minus 5. Then T3 by T2 is equal to 25 by minus 5. So this one also we will get it as minus 5. Then T4 by T3 is equal to minus 125 by 25. So 25 5s are 125, that is also minus 5. So all the ratios are same. So they are in GP. They are in GP. Okay. Then sixth sum is T1, T2, T3, T4. T1 is 120, T2 is 60, T3 is 30 and T4 is 18. When we compare the ratios, T2 by T1 is equal to 60 by 120. So when we simplify this, we will get the ratio as 1 by 2. Then T3 by T2 is equal to 30 by 60. This is also equal to 1 by 2. Then T4 by T3 is equal to 18 by 30. So when we simplify this, 3 6s are 18 and 3 10s are. Again when we simplify this, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So we are getting 3 by 5. So only these two ratios are same. This ratio is not equal. So they are not in GP. They are not in GP. Okay. Then the last sum, seventh sum is, seventh one is 16, 4, 1, 1 by 4. So T1 is 16, T2 is 4, T3 is 1, T4 is 1 by 4. So when we compare the ratios, T2 by T1 is equal to 4 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 4. T3 by T2 is equal to 1 by 4. T4 by T3 is equal to, T4 is 1 by 4 by 1, that is also equal to 1 by 4. So all the ratios are same here. So they are in GP. They are in GP. So you have to be very careful in doing the comparing the ratios between the terms. Okay. So with this, in completing today's class, whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.